Now see the 7 number question. Which one of the following is an example of meaningful learning? Remembering a poem by repeated practice, repeating mathematical formulas, elaborating an idea, imitating the teacher to draw a geometrical shape. So here we can see the question is asking about a meaningful learning, right? Meaningful learning means where something, your ideas will be included, your mind will be involved. So when you elaborate an idea, it is your meaningful learning because you create it of your own thinking. So elaborating an idea will be the correct answer here. Rest everything is just like the same for everyone. It's not different, but this depends on individual thinking. So this is a meaningful learning. Is it clear? Okay, now we have the next question. Number 8. What is the first step of curriculum development? Creating the syllabus, selection of instructional materials, evaluation of effectiveness of the curriculum, assessment of learning needs of the students. So what is the first step of curriculum development? Curriculum development, what will be the first step? In curriculum development, first of all, you should know what is the need of the student, and based on that we will prepare the next step, right? First we should assess the learning needs of the student. So this will be the correct answer. Next, what is the mean of these numbers? So to find the mean, we all know that we have to add and divide it with 6, find the average. So when we find the average of this number, our answer will be, I think it's 23.5. We can also check it once. 21 plus 21 plus 23 plus 24 plus 27 plus 25. So what will be the total here? Our total will be, this is 42, this is 47, this is 52, and then we have 5, 10, 14, 141 by 6, 2 is 12, 21, it will be 3 is 18, and when we subtract we get 6, right? So we'll get 23.5 as the answer. 29D will be the correct answer. You can evaluate yourself and let me know if I am incorrect in this calculation. Okay, now we'll proceed with the next question, number 10. When a test measures what it intends to measure, it says about of dash of the test. When a test measures, when we measure a test, know what it intends to measure, means what we measure in that test. It says about which part. It says about validity, predictability, reliability, usability. So a correct answer here will be, it will talk about the validity. Validity, okay, a test measures the validity. Which of the following is related to the traditional learning process? Learning depends upon the teaching quality of the teacher. Learning depends on the experience gained from the immediate environment. Learning depends upon the social, cultural context of the child. Learning depends on the interaction between peer, teacher and parents. So we all know that now the education system has changed, and now we have these peer, teacher, parents interaction. Now we are involving the students in the social, cultural, and we are also seeing how they are getting benefit from the environment. But previously, the traditional process was the teaching quality of the teacher was prevailing. So that's the answer, number A. Next, number 12, if we see, later childhood phase is related to which stage of cognitive development? Later childhood phase, it is of which stage of cognitive development? Sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, or formal operational stage. So what will be the correct answer here? Concrete operational stage is the correct answer. Cognitive development comes in this stage, right? So this is the correct answer.